Good morning, everyone. This is Sakis Paraskevov, Senior Fundamental Analyst at IronFX Global, bringing you the morning comment for the 18th of December. Bank of Japan launches additional stimulus measures in a surprise move. The Bank of Japan kept its policy rates and the QQE size unchanged, showing confidence in the economy after data from capital spending to business confidence improved further. However, bank officials approved, not unanimously though, the launch of additional measures aimed at encouraging corporate spending and hiring. On top of the current exchange-traded funds purchases program, the bank will buy ETFs issued by firms that are proactively making investments in physical and human capital. The Bank of Japan also decided to extend the average maturity of the Japanese government bonds it buys to 7 to 12 years from 7 to 10 years previously, in order to put further downward pressure on interest rates across the yield curve. Through these measures, the bank aims to stimulate wage growth in the private sector and boost inflation over the longer term. Moreover, bank officials maintain their view that inflation expectations appear to be rising somewhat. Even the USD yen surged initially, it gave back all the gains and fell even more as the Japanese stock market tumbled on the news. In the press conference after the decision, Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda stated that today's steps were not monetary easing, as the bank does not see economic and price conditions undershooting its estimates. These new measures could help the bank to achieve its 2% inflation target, which could ease expectations for further easing measures and strengthen the yen further. As for today, during the European Day, Norway's official unemployment rate is expected to have edged slightly higher in November. This is in line with the Norges Bank assessment in their latest report that the unemployment rate is rising in regions linked to the oil industry, and that it is expected to increase overall. This could cause the Norwegian krone to give back some of its gains following the Norges Bank rate decision and weaken somewhat. Eurozone's current account balance for October is due to be released as well. From Canada, the CPI data for November are forecast to show that both the headline and core figures accelerated from the previous month. At their latest policy meeting, the bank officials judged that the risk around the inflation outlook remained balanced. As a result, if the forecast is met, it will confirm the bank's decision to remain on hold. A rise in the CPI could ease the selling pressure on the loonie following the renewed plunge in oil prices. In the US, the preliminary market service sector PMI for December is expected to have decreased marginally. We have two speakers scheduled on the Friday's agenda. Richmond Fed President Jeffrey Lacker and Norges Bank Governor Øystein Olsen speak during the day. It will be interesting to see the comments from the Fed official Lacker, who along with the other FOMC members voted for a rate hike at Wednesday's meeting. Any hints regarding the pace of the future rate hike will be closely monitored, and USD could react accordingly. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade delivered directly to you. And also, follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Sakis Paraskevov, Senior Fundamental Analyst at IronFX Global, wishing you solid trading.